Hey guys, I'm Kate.
And I'm Alex.
This is Penny.
And that's Bob.
Hey! Now you can go. Look at Bob.
He's so cute. He thinks something's happening now that we've introduced him.
And because we've told them to stay there,
Yeah.
they're now going to expect a T-R-E-A-T. Bob, say mum. Say mum. 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 Good boy, say mum. Good. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Oh, he doesn't know what to do. Well done, Bob. High five. Well done. Got to get him a treat now. Penny, what can you do? Paw. That's it. Well done. He can use, if I go bang, bang, he'll turn on his back and do that like he's dead. But obviously he was on the sofa, so there's a bit of a dilemma there. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, hello.
Hello.
Click the subscribe button.
How do they know if they want to yet? They haven't even watched anything.
Yeah, Alex.
All they've watched is you saying hello. Why would they subscribe?
Maybe I did a really good hello. Anyway, today we are doing a slightly different video.
Yeah.
We
Just
are doing
only slightly.
Just slightly. It's still a taste test, but we are doing the Bean Boozled challenge.
Challenge.
And this is actually the 4th edition, so there are 2 new flavors.
Oh.
Yeah. So Bean Boozled, Jelly Belly are obviously
I
got
didn't
good
realise,
marketing because they've got so many editions now and so many different boxes where you can get
So
a
they've, like,
spinning
carried
wheel.
it on as a
They've
thing.
carried it on.
That's
yeah.
so good.
Because so many people do it now. So this is thanks to Rob and Tim. They actually included this in their box ages ago.
Yeah, you've probably watched it if you've been on our channel for a while.
Yeah.
And if you've been on our channel for a while and not subscribed, you should subscribe.
Now's the right time.
Now's the right time.
Anyway, we'll leave their video down below
Yeah.
so you can check that out. We have done a Bean Boozled channel once before.
Yeah, before we did this channel, we did a Bean Boozled channel, and all we did were the Bean Boozled challenge.
No. So 2 new flavours. We don't have the spinny wheel, so I think let's just get them all out.
And just pick some.
And just pick. And I think we should
And
have
you have to pick one of each colour. You pick one, I pick one, and then...
Yeah. Should have probably got a plate.
Because the thing is, it could go on for a while, because say like this white one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those.
Yeah.
So we could both get the good thing. Are we going
Yeah.
to keep going until someone gets the bad thing?
Maybe we should.
It's jelly beans, so how bad can it be?
I know. Famous last
What
words.
do you want to start with?
Okay, should we start with the top, their new one?
Yeah.
White, spoiled milk or coconut. Now, I don't like coconut, so
Both are bad.
both are bad for me. Oh, you're going straight in?
Yeah. This is spoiled milk.
Really?
Yeah, it is horrible. You know when you eat cheese that's just a bit too old.
Uh-huh.
It's like that, but worse.
Okay, so I got the good coconut, and actually it was a really nice
So
flavour.
that's one now. We want to have another one, see if you get spoiled milk.
No.
Really not nice.
Maybe later.
Yeah.
So we'll move those out of the
Yeah.
way.
Well, you keep the leftovers, and that can be your point.
Oh yeah,
Right, next on the list, going across or down?
whatever you want.
Across to the other new flavour, which is dead fish.
Ew.
That's disgusting. It's like an orangey red mottled one, which I'm
And
guessing
the
is...
nice flavour is strawberry banana smoothie.
So am I having this one then?
Yeah, although that is one as well, isn't it?
Is it? It's like a completely different colour.
Oh,
That's
see?
that, isn't it?
Look, that could be peach and barf. Ooh.
Oh.
I think it's more the cloudy one, isn't
Yeah,
it? We
it
need to
is.
go for. I'm gonna
what's
pick
the
that
other
one.
one?
Is that another cloudy one? Because there's no other.
It's just got no dots on.
Yeah. Well,
And
there's
that
one there.
there.
Here goes. I've definitely got dead fish.
I got peach.
Oh.
Dead fish?
Uh-huh.
So we're not the peach and thingy one then?
Huh? No, we're doing dead fish and strawberry banana smoothie.
Ah.
Oh.
No, I got strawberry and banana smoothie. But when you breathed on me, I could smell it.
Really?
Yeah, that's disgusting.
That literally is so strong. That is like sardines.
Yeah.
That's not dead fish. That is sardines that have gone off about 10 years ago.
Ooh.
Why did I just lick my
That
finger?
smells disgusting.
Yeah, smell my breath. Can you smell it?
That does smell like sardines. That's disgusting.
I wish you could try it. So
Yeah.
I think that
What's
there
that?
are the
Yeah, and
remains.
I think that's one of these.
Peach. So do you want to keep these as your prize?
It's hard to know on some of these because some of these are obvious,
too
like these
similar.
blues. Look, there's only 2 of those.
Oh, yeah,
This
good
is a bit
job.
like the Matrix. Should we do this blue one?
Yeah.
This is toothpaste or
berry blue.
berry blue. Which one do you want?
You go first. I got toothpaste. I kind of need it after the dead fish.
Yeah, I got berry blue. It's really nice actually.
See, there was only 2 in there, so that worked out well that you had one and I had. I wouldn't say this was horrible though.
Right.
It's like a mint.
Well, toothpaste isn't that bad, is it?
I can't get over that dead fish. That really tasted like
disgusting.
dead fish. Okay, rotten egg and buttered popcorn.
Yeah. What are they?
Is it
They're like
those
yellow.
yellowy ones?
Yeah,
or are
must
they
be.
mouldy cheese? Mouldy cheese are more orange, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, there's only 3 here.
It's hard to tell with these mottly
Yeah.
ones, isn't it?
Oh,
rotten
I
egg.
got rotten egg.
That's disgusting.
Oh, are you eating it?
Might as well.
Oh.
Oh. I didn't realise that was a thing.
Yeah, that's
thought
why I
we were
bought
just
your
gonna eat
spit cup.
it. Yeah. I just thought that was if
People
it was
will
really
probably
bad.
tell us off. But YOLO.
YOLO. Yeah, that's the thing.
Oh,
I
that
was
was
going to eat mine.
disgusting.
Yeah, that's bad, isn't it? So neither of us get that point.
No.
What should we do then? Peach and Barf?
Oh. Now, for those of you who don't know me, sick is probably my worst phobia.
Yeah.
A nightmare.
You can't even like being in the same room if someone's being sick.
No.
can you?
If someone's being sick, I
No,
will
you're
probably
so
throw up.
bad. You're so bad that if someone just even looks like they might be getting a bit
Yeah.
queasy, you don't like it, do you?
When people start looking queasy or going to be sick, I feel off. Oh no, don't. Do you know what? I actually Googled and apparently the phobia is not actually the sick, it's the it's like the mouth movement.
Yeah,
It's like
because
the
you like your throat just
it's-
opens,
yeah.
doesn't it? It's so weird.
and
What a thing to talk about.
if people cough in a certain way from afar, I'm like, they're being sick. And they're not.
Well, one day I wasn't feeling very well, and I was like fainting, and and I was like, Kate, I need a bucket, or
Need a sick bowl,
I need a sick bowl, basically. And Kate was like, yeah, right, okay. And we were the only 2 people here. And you were like,
I'm looking through my cupboards, and the only bowls I could find were my baking
your
bowls.
good mixing bowls.
So I was freaking out, going, can't do this one. This is my good Mason Cash one. I was like, can't get this one. It's like plastic, so
And
it
all
might
the
get...
time, the worst thing when you feel like you're going to be sick
It's
is
not.
not having something to be sick into. And you think it's so urgent. I wasn't sick in the end, was I?
No, you weren't.
But when you feel like you need it, you just have to have it, don't
it's
you?
worse when you don't.
Yeah. So what we do? Oh, these ones there.
Peach or Barf. Here
Well,
we
some
go.
of these don't. Oh, they do have red dots on. I'm going to go for it. This
I'm
really
gonna
dotty
go for
one.
really dotty. You're dotty, ain't you? Oh my word.
Oh, it's peach.
I'm just gonna sit here silently and hopefully the taste will go.
How bad is it?
It's like once you've been sick,
Yeah.
that aftertaste.
Oh, so it's like eating Hershey's.
Yes. Did I put Hershey's in there?
Oh, jelly beans by Hershey's. Oh, that's chocolate flavour.
Who are they? See, I always call them jelly beans. They're jelly bellies, aren't they? They should be
Well,
called...
they are jelly beans.
But they should be-
That's what they physically are, but they're own. These are made by Jelly Belly.
I always get confused by that.
This is good for Matt, made in a peanut-free factory.
Oh, that's good. Do you want to try the other one and see if
Oh
you
my
get
word.
Barf?
Do you know what their address is?
No. Oh, hold on. No, didn't we read this once before?
Manufactured by Jelly Bean Candy Company, so it's their own company. 1 Jelly Belly Lane.
Oh my word, that's so cool.
Fairfield, CA.
This
California.
just... Oh my word. Smell that.
So you don't like sick, but things that smell really bad make me gag.
Yeah,
really
you're
easily.
worse at that, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, what
These
next?
jelly beans may look alike, but they could not taste more different from each other. Think you can tell them apart? We dare you. Well, it's not hard to tell them apart, is it?
No.
Right. Should we go for canned dog food and chocolate pudding?
Yeah, I remember doing this one last time. I'm pretty sure I got canned dog food. I have bad luck with this stuff.
I don't know why I keep sniffing them, hoping I'll be able to tell.
I think that...
I got chocolate pudding.
I'm unsure. I think that's chocolate
So
pudding.
am I, because
Not chocolate,
Although you-
really.
the first flavour is chocolate, there is a strange aftertaste.
But it's definitely not dog food.
Right.
Are you going again?
Yeah. Yeah, this one's dog food.
Is it?
It's yours.
No, I don't think so. That one's
Put
no
that
point.
on your side so we know. Why? I think you do it till the death if there's
Okay.
enough. Right. Booger.
And juicy pear.
Juicy pear.
The thing is, in order for it to have been Booger, surely, like, how would they have tested that
Yeah, they hired someone who used to eat their bogies as a kid.
and put it?
Or someone who's an adult who's willing to eat theirs.
Okay.
The thing is, I can honestly say I've never eaten my bogies, so I can just
What, not even when you were younger?
No, and that was never a thing I did.
You might have done when you were like a toddler without remembering.
Well, yeah, not in my...
Because there is a stage where every child finds their nose and it starts putting their finger up, like every
Yeah,
single...
I know that, but I mean...
I wonder
as
when
someone-
Thomas will find that.
I think he's found it.
Has he?
I've got juicy pear.
I've got juicy pear. But,
How are we going to know what booger tastes like?
I don't
then?
know, because I think it's a
Although
pear.
you say you've eaten booger, so...
No, I'm saying when I was younger. I don't know what this is. It's definitely not pear.
It must be booger then.
It tastes like, garden.
Is that what bogey would taste like?
Garden.
Like earthy and... Because it is all the things from outside that get stuck up your nose,
Maybe
isn't it?
that's at
Maybe,
them.
should we go one
Yeah,
more?
and see if I got pear. See, I'm getting that same flavour.
Yeah, now I'm getting like an earthy...
Earthy.
Yeah, like grass.
So is that, it literally tastes like grass?
Well, yeah, because the juicy pear was really sweet.
Shall I try this, see
Yeah.
if it is? Because it's not, like, disgusting.
It's kind of like salty and... Did you get juicy pear that time?
No, I think that's booger again. We've had 3 boogers.
So I got the one juicy pear.
Yeah. Oh, is that tag a point as well?
Yeah, because there was no more.
Okay.
Now we've got mouldy cheese, which
Oh,
I'd
this
imagine
one's
is going to
gonna
be
be
a bit like
awful.
spoiled milk or caramel corn. It looked
That
like
booger,
it.
it wasn't like, oh, it was just like, ew, it's
Yeah.
just soily.
That's the thing. The spoiled milk is disgusting.
The dead fish,
is disgusting. Rotten egg, that's horrible. Canned dog food.
You
it's
ate it.
It's not terrible.
Barf was disgusting.
Barf is horrible. Toothpaste, that's not too bad.
No.
Booger, that's not too bad. It's like
No, it's like soil.
It's like, if you eat your own bogies, that's
Yeah, but
disgusting.
this is a
but
sweet.
as a flavour, it didn't seem that bad.
But I reckon
Mouldy
mouldy
cheese
cheese is
could
going to be
be really bad.
disgusting. I got
Caramel corn.
caramel corn.
It's actually really
That's
good,
a really
isn't it?
nice one. Oh dear. Oh.
Caramel corn.
Ah! And what's even worse is every time I spit out the stuff's in there, it's like, ew. It was like,
Stinky socks.
Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti. I love the colour of these ones. We got a few here actually. Oh, hold, is that meant to be a booger?
Oh, that one
I'll
must have
pop it
been a
up
booger.
front. And then last is lawn clippings. Did we
And
have
lime.
lawn clippings? Instead of booger?
Oh, maybe. Yeah, we must have.
I think
So
instead
are
of-
these bogies then?
These might be bogies and
But
juicy pear.
somehow I still had a juicy pear, I think.
I know, yeah.
Some of them aren't different enough.
No, well we'll see. We might
Yeah.
still get booger because they definitely tasted
So
like
should we
lawn
do?
clippings.
I think we should save
Yeah.
stinky socks then and do these first.
So this might either be lime, lawn clippings, booger, or
Juicy
juicy pear. No, lime. What have you got?
I think I might have lawn clippings. Is lime really obvious?
Lime, so of it.
This is kind of like you can't really tell. Do one more. That must be lawn clippings again.
What do you think? Shall I get that one?
Yeah.
Personally, I think with this game, they should really only have 2 of
Each colour. I'll make them
But
more
maybe
obvious.
you could have different layers. You know, like a chocolate box.
Yeah.
Different layers of 2s, like tablets in a pot. It's not obvious enough.
Yeah, like you know those tablet things that old people have.
Yeah,
It's like
on
Monday,
the day.
Tuesday,
Yeah, definitely,
Wednesday.
because it's not clear enough.
No.
Okay, stinky socks or tutti frutti? Hopefully tutti frutti. And I can assure you, my socks do not smell or taste like that.
Is it really bad?
Yeah. What colour was the Barf? It almost tasted like Barf again. Are you going to try again?
Yeah.
You can't have had it. Maybe have another one.
It's not super fruity though either. No, can't have had it.
Just me. So
Just you.
I had so many bad ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many?
You had 6 bad ones.
Yeah,
And
so
I
I
had
got-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good ones.
1, 2, 3, 4. I only won 4.
Well done.
Well done.
Finally a challenge I can win.
We
Even
could
though
have
it's
probably
just
done
pure
that
luck.
as a WTF, couldn't we?
Yeah.
They were bad, but they weren't actually as bad as I thought.
No. That bath was bad.
Yeah, it was.
You were spitting it out.
But I
like
think
ASAP.
also because I think some people really overreact on YouTube
Yeah.
because there are some people like, ah!
The thing is, they're bad, but at the end of the day, they're sugary sweets, so it's not like.
Yeah. It probably
end of the
would
world.
have been even worse if I made myself eat and swallow them all.
Yeah.
But
Well, that's
you
the
know,
thing, you didn't actually end up swallowing something.
no. But I'm telling you, the sauce and juice.
So you
was
can't
in
be
there.
saying they're not that bad.
Yeah,
You
because I
actually
didn't eat them. Yeah.
So yeah, hypocrite.
Crap. Anyway, did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it, yeah.
I enjoyed that. I really enjoyed doing something different. Thank you so much to Rob and Tim for sending us the Bean Boozled challenge. I'm really happy we could finally do it.
Yeah, finally.
It might have taken us a few months, but we've finally done it.
Been sat on your desk for
I
like
know.
forever.
If anyone would like to grab a British candy box, I'll leave a link down below. Rob and Tim, they really enjoyed theirs actually,
Did
which
they?
was good.
That's good.
So that's nice to hear. Anyway, we hope you all enjoyed watching and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.
See ya.